Hello there guys, it's Richard Shepherd here from Skrumpt. So today what we're going to be looking at is how to import leads into Skrumpt. Okay, so if you already have an existing system where you're dealing with your motivated seller leads, but maybe you're using Excel, maybe you're using an alternative customer relationship management system, and you want to sort of transfer your leads across to Skrumpt to see how you perform there. Okay, so what basically you're going to do is to either export your leads from Excel or from your existing customer relationship management system into an Excel file or into a what we call a CSV file. So that's comma separated values. Okay. Forming that file that you've actually got it into, what you're then going to do is to import it into Skrumpt. So that's what we're really going to look at in this video. So I'm just going to sign in. Okay. Once we're in, we're just going to go to leads. And instead of going to leads, instead of going to new, we're just going to go to upload. Okay. And all we can actually do is actually drag our leads file, whether it's a CSV file or an Excel file, to this blue box right here, or alternatively we can just click the blue box right here. We can find the files. Sorry for having to grey out my blur my screen. Upload the file. Now what's going to come up is this box which says field mapping, and what we're going to need to do is to map the fields that Skrumpt wants with the fields that's already in your Excel file or your CSV file. Okay, so at the bottom here I've got a phone number, so I'm going to say I'm going to map that to the owner telephone number. Okay, I have a full name, so I'm going to map that to the owner full name. I have an email, so I'm going to map that to the owner email. And I have a property address, which I'm going to map to the address. Okay. I'm then going to go to created time, and I'm going to map that to the date and time received. Okay, so and I'm then going to say, well, this include first row. I'm not going to include the first row in this one, and I'm just going to click upload. Okay, so it already says that file has been uploaded successfully. It's uploaded 32 leads here, and then to check that it's been done, I'm just going to go to leads, and I can see that all of these leads have been uploaded. Okay, so this is absolutely fantastic. That works, and now I can just go into each particular lead. Let's go into this one and have a look at each particular lead and add some details to it, maybe separate these fields out, etc., etc. Okay, so that's basically how you upload these leads from your existing system that you're using to contact direct-to-vendor motivated seller leads. By all means, transfer everything across to Skrumpt, see how it works in Skrumpt, and see if it works better for you. Okay, this is Richard Shepherd, and happy hunting.